friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is all about kids meal prep. Just by prepping up your kitchen with these few things, you can whip up a healthy meal for your kid in no time. So let's take a look at what prep you need to do. Dry roasted nut powder. This protein rich powder comes in very handy in lot of kids meal. Just by adding a tablespoon of this powder in oatmeal, porridges or kheer will elevate the nutritious value of the dish. Also, we add all these nuts and seeds in this powder that makes it a lot more nutritious and healthier. So let us take a look at how to make this powder. Roast 3/4 cup of almonds until golden brown. Remove them on a plate to cool down. Then roast half cup of cashew nuts until golden brown. And place them on a plate to cool down. Then roast 1/4 cup of pistachios and place them on a plate when slightly golden brown. Roast 1/8 cup of walnuts, around 4 to 5 pieces, and place them on a plate to cool down. Turn off the heat, and when the pan is hot, add half tablespoon of popping seeds. The pan is hot enough for the popping seed to roast. Let it roast for a few seconds and remove them. Now in a blender, add all the roasted nuts, add dry date powder. It's optional. If you don't have it, you can totally skip it. Add roasted popping seed, add little bit of sugar and blend it. If you want more, you can add some more sugar and blend it. This will help to form a nice powder of this mixture. Also add some saffron, kesher and mix it well. Store it in an airtight container in refrigerator and it will last for months. Roasting rava, which is also called as semolina or suji, is a very common, tried and true method to make it last longer. Also, roasting it makes it a lot more lighter and easier for your kids to digest. A lot of Indian dishes that are made of the suji or rava or semolina recommend that you roast it before you cook it. So why not just roast it in advance and keep it in an airtight container? By the way, look for roasted rava or suji in Indian store. That will make your life a lot more easier. Roasted cumin powder. I personally use roasted cumin powder a lot in my kids' diet. I think it adds a lot of flavor in the kids' diet. Roasted dal and rice powder. Now this powder is particularly for babies. When babies start eating solid food from 6 months of age, you can make this powder in advance and whenever needed, just cook it in some hot water. And add some cumin powder. For kids elder than 1 year of age, you can add some salt in it and just serve it warm with plenty of ghee in it. Let us see the procedure to make this powder. To make this khichdi powder, rinse some rice and moong dal and spread it over a paper towel or use clean cloth to spread this mixture. Let it dry down completely for a couple of hours. After a couple of hours, you will see the paper towel has absorbed the moisture from this mixture. At this point, transfer it to a hot pan and roast it. When the rice grain turns less translucent and the moong dal has turned golden brown, blend it into a powder. Khichdi powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container in a refrigerator and it will last for months. Soaking dal, beans and legumes in advance make life much more easier. Make sure you just don't throw away the water in which these dals and beans are soaked in. Soaked green mooks can be used in a variety of kids' meal. You can make green mook dosa, green mook khichdi from it. If you haven't checked my video on how to feed green mooks to your kid, please check it out over here. Take desired amount of whole green mooks in a colander and rinse it really well. Transfer it in a container and add some water and let it soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. Dosa batter comes in really handy in planning out your kids' meal. You get plenty of options to make your kids' meal if you have the dosa batter ready in your refrigerator. I know the process to make the dosa batter is a little time consuming, but homemade dosa batter is always hygienic, it's healthy, and also you can make it in bulk, it's cheaper, and also think of all the dishes you can make out of it. You can make idlis, you can make dosas, you can make uttapams. So let us check the procedure to make it. To make the dosa batter, I am using 2:1 proportion of dal and rice. That is 2 cup of rice for 1 cup of urad dal. Now rinse some rice and add water to it and let it soak overnight. At the same time, rinse some urad dal and add water to it. Also let it soak overnight. Next day morning, remove the excess water on this dal and rice in a pot and heat it. Now to start the blending process, make sure you have everything laid out. You will need 1 cup of soaked poha, soaked rice, soaked urad dal, then a blending jar, a container to remove the batter, a paper towel. Now add 2 scoops of urad dal in the blender, 2 scoops of rice and a little bit of soaked poha. Add little bit of hot water and blend it. Scrape any unblended grain and blend it again. The batter is blended nicely when you feel nice paste of the batter on the tip of your finger. This is when you will need the paper towel to wipe your fingers. Once done, remove the batter in a container and repeat the process. Batter is ready. Make sure you have plenty of space in the container because the batter will rise when it ferments and you don't want the batter to overflow. For the fermentation process, I am keeping this batter in an instant pot on yogurt mode and the batter will be ready in 8 hours, but you can keep the batter on a countertop and the batter will be ready in 12 hours. Soaked sabudana or sago is my kids' favorite and it's very good for gaining weight. I make khichdis and thalipit from it. I will soon post a video of this on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I post new videos. I won't say that you keep a boiled potato in your refrigerator for weeks and then use it for your kids' diet. No. But you can always use the leftover boiled potato to make any one of your kids' meal. Like I personally use boiled potatoes to make most of my kids' meal. I make poha cutlets using potatoes. I make paneer cutlets using potatoes. Parathas using potatoes. I use potatoes in khichdis. So there are quite a lot of dishes that I use boiled potatoes in, and having a boiled potato in the refrigerator makes life much more easier. Potatoes is something kids love, and it is being used in my kid's diet at least in one of his meal, either breakfast, lunch or dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you in prepping up your kids' meal, and see you again next time. Bye.